cable. And I'm not talking about household cable, I'm not talking about this stuff, I'm talking about flex. We get on extension leads, etc. Power tools. Is it worth stripping? Well, we'll find out. Normally I don't strip it. Normally all that lot goes straight in a bag, gets weighed in. I'm going to do a little experiment. I've got the scale set up and I've took a piece of took a roll, stick that on, right, just over a kilogram. So just prior to this I cut some little bits out, at least 6 kilogram. That was, what was it, 14 over, so that's about 3 of those. So maybe that's a bit too much. 17. So I'm going to cut just a tidgy bit less than that off that. That should give us a kilo. So a little bit less than that piece cut off. I'm at 1002 grams. I ain't going to be bothering at 2 grams. So I'm going to strip that and we're going to see what it weighs in copper. Like I said, I'm going to strip some cable. Now, like I said, I don't mean this household cable, twin core on earth, which is just so easy to strip, isn't it? You know, that's why you can buy those machines that strip that. Easy peasy, easy peasy. I mean, this, you can just run a knife down it. And it's stripped. No! I'm going to strip cable, some flex. Weapons of choice, a variety of knives, snips, pliers, and quick example, I'll either just run the blade down the sheath, pull it out, and do that. Easy enough. Can actually buy stripping tools. That's it. There's a tiny little blade in there that you can adjust the height with that. And the same thing is open it, close it on there, quick press and drag it along. If I've done it right, you just peel it open. Otherwise it's simple. I'm going to strip this. I'll come back when it's stripped. So I've got that stripped. What I've got to now do is to strip these. No hard and fast secret method about it. Again, I could always use the tool. I can use a variety of the knives that I have. Just put it on. And strip it that way. One method. no hard and fast way about doing it. Just about getting her done. And my other way is with a homemade wire stripping block. All I've got here, metal block, a hole drilled straight through, to take the wire, a hole drilled vertically through to take a sharpened drill bit, put that in, select the depth, and a grub screw to hold that in place. I'll show you my setup. Well, pretty self-explanatory. This is just a piece of aluminium box section scrap, but it serves the need. Normally it's just a piece of wood, something with which I can just screw the block to, clamp the block to, thread the cable through, and as you pull it, the sharpened drill bit scores it. A little fiddle twist with the end, it's that out, something which I can pull on. And just work my way down and stripped. I'll strip that lot and then we'll weigh it. So taking a piece of cable, and stick it through there. Sorry, I'm going to put my gloves on. Those copper spikes can hurt. Really, I should split it at the other end, so as I'm peeling it off, one goes in there, one goes on the floor. I'll try that next. I've actually made a mistake. I cut it into short lengths to well, to facilitate ease of handling, but I think I should have left it in a long length. So if I can strip it here, as I pull it through like that, oh, that's a bit easier, isn't it? Well, this is the last piece. What did I say? You know, probably took me 10 minutes. To get to this point. Right, 1 kilo copper flex cable stripped. Let's get that weighed. To the scales. 0. And the truth is 330 grams. It's a third, isn't it? So it's a bit like the stripping the armatures, the motor rotors. You roughly get a third of the value. So yesterday I phoned up and he was offering me £1.30 per kilogram for wire. So for that chunk of wire I would have got £1.30, and he's offering me £4.80 per kilogram for bright wire. I've only got a third of £4.80, which works out at about £4.80. There it was £1.60. So weigh that in. What did I get? A kilo, £1.30. Weigh that in, I get £1.60. So for the effort, I've got an extra 30 pence. Well, I've got to say, unless you're retired, you have nothing else to do with your life, it's not worth stripping. Well, you've seen that pile as we start with. I'm kind of glad at that. Okay, copper cable ain't worth stripping, not in my view.